Don't let our current warm weather fool you. Cold and flu season is already upon us. While COVID fears are plateauing for some, doctors are warning the community about the early reemergence of certain seasonal illnesses.
This particular surge of standard winter viruses that's occurring in October is unusual.
COVID causes something called viral interference with other viruses so that you can't sort of have both going on at the same time. So last time we were in a major COVID lull was May 2021, and we started seeing the rise of other viruses, including RSV. And now we're seeing the same phenomenon.
Cases of respiratory syncytial virus, or RSV, are already rising dramatically on the East Coast. The Connecticut Children's Medical Center setting up a tent unit on its lawn because they are out of beds. Locally, critical care physician at Stanford Children's Health, Dr. Alan Schroeder, says his hospital is also seeing an unseasonable increase in illnesses.
Not only quite a bit more RSV, but quite a bit more of the other standard winter viruses as well. Something called rhinovirus in particular is something we've now been seeing for a good 6 weeks or so. And then the RSV surge has really been the last couple of weeks.
Dr. Schroeder says parents need to look for common symptoms of RSV, such as coughing and runny nose, and more serious symptoms like trouble breathing. But it's not just kids who are at risk. UCSF infectious diseases expert Dr. Monica Gandhi says kids can spread RSV to adults as well.
We need to be aware that it's RSV and not something else. We need to test, we need to think about it, and then think about the kind of extremes of age being the most susceptible. Often children who are immunocompromised are more susceptible. So we're alert, like everyone's kind of on alert now. We need to remember it's not all COVID.
And these doctors say it's important not to be fearful, but smart. Most of these winter viruses can spread easily through touch. Taking precautions like proper hand washing and testing, as well as getting a flu shot, can make our winter better. In the South Bay, Dustin Dorsey, ABC 7 News.